Let's explore the path to financial independence and uncover the 8 key assets that can help you achieve wealth and freedom without having to work actively. Whether you dream of retiring early, pursuing your passions, or leaving a lasting legacy for future generations, these assets offer opportunities for financial security and a life of abundance. We'll look into each asset's power and how you can leverage them to create a solid foundation for your financial journey. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of achieving financial independence and living life on your own terms, keep watching. Let's get started. Here are 8 assets that can help individuals become wealthy and achieve financial independence without having to work anymore. Number 1 is entrepreneurship. Successful entrepreneurs often amass billions of dollars through their hard work and dedication. Many people have wondered how these individuals manage to accumulate such vast wealth in a single lifetime. Sometimes, Hollywood stereotypes portray the ultra-rich as corrupt and inhumane individuals who haven't had to work a day in their lives. However, this perception is a mental block that keeps many people poor throughout their lives. The truth is that creating a profitable business requires tremendous effort, sweat, and perseverance. Identifying a business idea and successfully scaling it into a multinational corporation is no child's play. Every self-made ultra-rich entrepreneur, including notable figures like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg, achieved their success through hard work. The key difference between rich entrepreneurs and employees is the type of income they generate. Entrepreneurs work diligently for the first few years to create a business, while employees work hard throughout their lives. Entrepreneurs create assets that generate money for them for the rest of their lives, allowing them to live without the need to work actively. In contrast, employees often live paycheck to paycheck and may not be able to secure their own financial future, let alone that of their children or future generations. Number 2 is real estate. While starting a business is one of the best ways to accumulate wealth, it is not the only option available. Each individual comes from a different financial circumstances, and for many, having a safe and secure job with benefits is crucial for their financial stability. Starting a business may not always be a feasible or acceptable risk to take. However, that doesn't mean one has to spend their entire life working for someone else and never achieving financial freedom. Making the right investment decisions at the right time can help individuals break free from the cycle of the rat race. Even with a modest income, investing in real estate can be a viable option. While buying real estate may seem next to impossible when you're young and earning an average salary, there is a concept called OPM, or other people's money, that can help overcome this obstacle. Robert Kiyosaki, an influential author and entrepreneur, encourages individuals to borrow money to buy rental properties. By doing so, they can create a second income stream apart from their 9-to-5 job. The rental income generated from these properties can cover mortgage payments and other expenses, while also providing additional money in one's pocket. Moreover, investing in real estate offers tax benefits, which effectively means you have extra money in your pocket. As individuals acquire more rental properties over time, they become less reliant on their next paycheck, eventually achieving financial freedom. By having assets that work for them, individuals no longer have to work for money, and they can start adding multiple passive income streams to their portfolio, creating wealth that can be passed on to future generations. Number 3 are paper assets. It is well known that starting a business or investing in real estate requires time and effort before reaping the benefits. Unfortunately, not everyone has the luxury of dedicating substantial time to these endeavors due to long work hours or other commitments. Robert Kiyosaki offers an alternative route to financial freedom that requires disciplined spending habits but is easier to start for individuals with time and money constraints. Instead of spending hard-earned money on leisure activities like going to pubs or bars, individuals can invest in paper assets such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities, or GSECs. Each of these investment instruments carries its own level of risk, allowing individuals to choose based on their risk tolerance. By saving and investing in these assets, individuals can free themselves from the challenges of managing a business or real estate while still benefiting from the success and profitability of other people's ventures. Number 4 are commodities. The value of paper money, such as the dollar, is based on the trust and backing of governments. However, this trust can fluctuate, leading to changes in the value of currency. To mitigate the risks associated with relying solely on paper currency, wealthy individuals invest in commodities, which Robert Kiyosaki refers to as God's money. Commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and food grains have inherent value and remain valuable to mankind for the foreseeable future. These assets serve essential purposes, such as providing food, energy, and the store of wealth. Unlike paper assets, commodities have limited quantities and stable demand, making them a great protection against inflation. Diversifying one's portfolio with investments in commodities can provide stability and safeguard wealth, especially during challenging economic times when other assets may decline in value. Number 5 is time. The saying "time is money" holds true, as economists recognize time as one of humankind's most precious resources. While money can come and go, time, once gone, cannot be regained. Young age is a valuable asset as it allows individuals to take more risks and recover from potential losses. Starting early in investing and wealth building can lead to substantial growth over time. Renowned investor Warren Buffett, also known as the Oracle of Omaha, advises people to start investing when they are young. By making the best use of time, individuals can amass much more wealth than those who start later in life. Additionally, using time wisely involves upgrading skills and investing in personal development. With a standard 5-day work week, individuals have 2 days to invest in themselves. They can use this time to pursue a side hustle, acquire new skills to increase their earning potential, or follow a passion. Making the most of time allows individuals to create a safety net of wealth for themselves and their loved ones, regardless of how the world's economic landscape may change. Number 6 is health. While effectively utilizing time is more of a mental endeavor, physical fitness plays a crucial role in achieving goals and ambitions. Many individuals neglect their health during their younger years, consuming unhealthy food, excessive alcohol, or engaging in other unhealthy habits. They often justify these habits by attributing them to their hard work and the need for relaxation. However, these habits not only erode current earnings, but also lead to substantial medical bills as they age. By investing in their bodies and maintaining good health through regular exercise and a balanced lifestyle, individuals can improve their productivity, work capacity, and overall well-being. Investing in health allows individuals to work more, earn more, and enjoy a long and healthy life with their family and loved ones. Number 7 are online assets. The rise of the internet has opened up numerous opportunities to create online assets with minimal costs. Starting a YouTube channel, offering online courses, creating websites or blogs, and leveraging social media platforms can all generate income streams. For example, starting a YouTube channel requires no initial investment, and if one has valuable knowledge or skills to share, they can attract subscribers and monetize their channel through advertising revenue. Similarly, other online assets like websites, blogs, and social media pages can be leveraged for various income-generating opportunities, such as affiliate marketing or selling digital products. As these online assets start earning enough money, individuals can even scale them into full-fledged businesses by upgrading content, hiring employees, and exploring additional income streams. Online assets provide the flexibility to work from anywhere and create multiple sources of passive income. Number 8 is network. Building a strong personal brand and developing a network of satisfied clients or customers are crucial factors in the success of any business, regardless of its size. While delivering quality work or products is essential, the power of recommendations and referrals cannot be underestimated. Each satisfied client becomes a potential source of new customers through positive word of mouth. For instance, suppose you start a catering business. Each party you cater to expands your network, as satisfied guests are likely to call you for their future events. Developing a strong network goes hand in hand with delivering quality work, as it creates trust and credibility for your brand. By continually nurturing and expanding your network, you can attract more clients and opportunities, ultimately contributing to your financial success. By diversifying these investments, making smart financial decisions, and leveraging these assets, individuals can attain long-term financial stability and security for themselves and future generations. It is essential to recognize that wealth creation requires discipline, perseverance, and strategic decision-making. By combining these assets with dedication and a long-term mindset, individuals can create a path towards financial freedom and the ability to live a fulfilling life without the constant need to work for money. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode that could change your financial perspective.